I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish congee. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of jasmine rice, about 1 pound of white fish fillets, and 6 to 10 cups of chicken or fish broth. You'll also need 1 inch of fresh ginger, minced, and 2 green onions sliced for a flavorful garnish. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This comforting dish is perfect for any time of day. Next, let's prepare the main components. Slice your white fish fillets thinly, aiming for about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick pieces. Marinate these delicate slices with 1 tablespoon of Shea-oxing wine and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. This helps keep the fish tender. For the rice, after rinsing, soak it in water for about 30 minutes, then drain it thoroughly. A pro tip for a creamier congee is to freeze the soaked rice overnight before cooking, which helps the grains break down faster. Now let's cook the congee base. In a large pot, combine your soaked rice, 6 to 10 cups of chicken or fish broth, and half of the minced ginger. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium-high heat, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot, leaving a small gap for steam to escape, and cook for 45 to 60 minutes, stirring occasionally. If the congee gets too thick, simply add more broth until it reaches your preferred consistency. For the final steps, once your congee has reached a creamy texture, add the marinated fish slices to the simmering pot. Stir gently for just 2 to 3 minutes until the fish turns opaque and is fully cooked through. Be careful not to overcook it. Then, turn off the heat. Garnish your delicious fish congee with the remaining minced ginger, fresh sliced green onions, and a drizzle of sesame oil for extra flavor. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Serve hot and enjoy this comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.